Have you ever been out in public, or maybe you're at work and suddenly the anxiety is kicking in and you're like, oh my gosh, this menopause, perimenopause thing, I can't live my life normally. You might not know this, but there are actually tools that you can use in as fast as 2 minutes. I'm going to show you one of those today. You can do it anywhere. It can take you less than 2 minutes, and you can get your calm back. You can feel grounded again, and you can stop that anxiety in its tracks, especially when it's happening at an inconvenient time. Let's do this. Okay, here's how you do this practice to stop menopause anxiety, calm your nervous system anytime. You can do it in 2 minutes. If you don't have a place to sit, you can do it standing also. Put your feet flat on the ground, kind of press them into the ground a little bit. Of course, if you're standing, they will be pressed into the ground. Imagine tree roots growing from your feet. Now, you want to take your hands into prayer position in front of your heart. Just press your palms together gently but firmly so you feel it, a little bit of pressure. And then you can close your eyes or do it with your eyes open. You can do it a little more relaxed if you're someplace where you don't want to look too weird. Then you want to just notice your breath. So we're going to start to slow down a little bit. You can close your eyes. Just notice your breath. I like to breathe in through my nose. You can breathe out through your nose or your mouth. Just notice it. Don't try to control anything. Just notice your breath. And as you're noticing it, keep your feet planted in the ground. Imagine there are roots growing from your feet down into your ground. Keep noticing your breath. And if it's comfortable, start slowing your breath just a little bit. Don't force anything. If it starts to feel forced, just ease off, ease back. Just keep noticing your breath. And you should start to feel everything start to calm down. This is a safe place. If for some reason as you're doing this, it actually makes you feel more anxious, then just stop and shake it out, and you can press your hands to your thighs, shake it out, get up, move around, and then you could try again. And if it still feels anxious, then try another move. I'm actually going to be sharing 3 more of these practices, and I'll link those videos so you can watch those. How'd that feel? Drop a note, share some love, let me know how it went for you. Let me know if you have any questions, and if it worked really well for you, share it with a friend who might need it too. Hit that subscribe to be notified when new videos come out, and you can learn even more practices